Hey guys, today we're gonna play some Roblox. Here we go, Colourblocks 3D roleplay. Oh, okay. What is happening right now? Wait! What's that noise? What the hell is that noise? There. Oh, I'm in the secret area. What's this? Wait, let me go down. What are these? Oh, course I am. Cyan. Vroom, vroom. Here comes the cyan car. Pink is red. Pink. Pinky, pink. I'm pink. I'm the roses in a row. I'm the feathers on the flamingo. Wow. I can beep. And beep coming through. Here comes the cyan car. Wow. Okay. Wait. Jump. Green is for the ground. Oh, and also create craft on one of the things right there. Can you see that? Oh, and there's a maroon because this person called Ray had to do a Shades of Red party thing. A Shades party red version. So that's how he wanted maroon. Vroom, vroom! Here comes the car! Vroom, vroom! Ah! Vroom, vroom! Let's not get too near. Oh, and also I think Brown wants to step in the poo. My name is Brown! You are a piece of poop. And that's it.